Introducing the Foam Room, service laundry and small commercial linen service, Rutherford, New South Wales. With a turnover of $192,000 and plenty of potential, the Foam Room would suit an owner-operator looking for the greatest financial reward. Established 12 years ago in Rutherford, the business provides linen changes for boutique accommodation in the Hunter Valley. The Foam Room offers weekly workwear services with regular industrial clients, plus ironing services and large bedding cleaning. With the closure of another laundry, there's huge potential to pick up many new customers who must currently go out of town. The Foam Room had new dryers installed in March 2018, and the sale includes a 2004 Kia van, used for pickups and deliveries. The business operates Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m, and the landlord is happy to sign a new lease. The current owners are happy to provide training for 4 weeks, plus ongoing support for a further 4 weeks. This business is located in a dynamic region, considered one of the fastest growing areas in Australia. Given the good name of the business, the huge potential for growth, and the strong local economy, this is an excellent investment.